I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to receive money on Varo, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to receive money. Once you're in the app, look for the Receive Money option in the main menu. This is usually found under the Payments section. Step 3. Share your Varo account details. You will see your Varo account number and routing number. Share these details with the person sending you money. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Varo.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Check your balance. Once the transfer is confirmed, check your account balance to ensure the funds have arrived. It may take a few minutes for the transaction to reflect. If you don't see the funds after a while, double check the sender has used the correct account details. Happy banking!